everyone, my name is Snekato, and today we will learn about the following logical operators: and, or, and not. Let's start with the logical operator and. We use this when we need that our statement comply with two or more conditions at the same time. For example, we visit a pizza restaurant, but we are picky eaters and only eat pizzas that have minimum 2 toppings. So in this particular restaurant, we only want to eat pepperoni and basil pizza. If it only has 1 topping, we would be disgusted. I'm just joking, but you get the point, right? Now we have to translate this wish of ours to only eat pepperoni and basil pizza into code. First, we create 2 Boolean variables, pepperoni and basil, and when any of these variables is true, it means that the pizza has that particular topping, and when it's false, that this ingredient is not included in the pizza. Then, we create an if statement including the logical operator and. We start with our if statement at the beginning, and inside parentheses, we include our conditions. And we will read it like so. If pepperoni is equals to true and basil is equals to true, print pepperoni and basil pizza. Else, print we only have 1 topping available. If the pizza has both ingredients, basil and pepperoni on it, we will get a pepperoni and basil pizza. Otherwise, Python will tell us that there is only 1 topping available. We can also ask it to print we only have vegetarian or pepperoni pizzas available. The logical operator OR is useful when we need that our statements complied with only 1 condition. For example, we love pizza so much that we will eat any type of pizza as long as it includes any of our favorite toppings, basil or pepperoni. Like we did before, when we transform it into code, we can set one of the variables as true and the other to false to see how this logical operator works. This first example is way too simple. If any of the conditions is true, the pizza shop will prepare a pizza for us. If there is not any of our toppings available or left, the clerk will ask us to choose a different topping, or we can also ask Python to print, "Hey, I'm sorry, we ran out of pizzas today." We can improve this code so it tells us exactly what kind of pizza we will get depending on the toppings available, like so. We set our 2 variables, pepperoni and basil, 1 false and 1 true, and then we start with our if statement. If pepperoni equals to true or basil equals to true, then print we are preparing your order. Then we make a nested if. If pepperoni is true and basil is equals to true, then print pepperoni and basil pizza. Else if pepperoni is equals to true, print pepperoni pizza. Else if basil is equals to true, print vegetarian pizza. Else print choose a topping. And as you can see, the answer is we are preparing your order and then we get a vegetarian pizza. The logical operator NOT flips the result. For example, if we ask for a not vegetarian pizza, we would get a pepperoni pizza. Transforming it into code, it would look like this. We set our variable basil as false, and then we write, If not basil equals to true, print pepperoni pizza. Else, print vegetarian pizza. In this example, this seems too complicated and not practical to use because we can easily change it for a better version, such as if basil equals to false, print pepperoni pizza, else print vegetarian pizza. However, there are cases where it can be of great help, like when we are looking for a specific value in a list. We have not covered lists yet, but we will do it soon. In this code, we create a list containing all of the toppings available in the pizza shop. Then, with an if statement, we look whether shrimp is not available as a topping. If it's not in the list, we will print shrimp is not available. Thank you for reaching the end of this video. If you liked it, please press the like button and share it with your friends. And I have a final question for you. What is the worst pizza that you have ever tried in your life? Leave it in the comments below. See you later, alligators. Bye.